നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി.
ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി. ഇത് പ്രാണവായുവിനായി നടുന്നു, ഇത് മഴയ്ക്കായി തൊഴുതു നടുന്നു.
ഇത് പ്രാണവായുവിനായി നടുന്നു, ഇത് മഴയ്ക്കായി തൊഴുതു നടുന്നു.
അഴകിനായി തണലിനായി തേൻ പഴങ്ങൾക്കായി 100 തൈകൾ നിറഞ്ഞു നടുന്നു.
അഴകിനായി തണലിനായി തേൻ പഴങ്ങൾക്കായി 100 തൈകൾ നിറഞ്ഞു നടുന്നു.
അഴകിനായി തണലിനായി തേൻ പഴങ്ങൾക്കായി 100 തൈകൾ നിറഞ്ഞു നടുന്നു.
ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി.
ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Manager Father Matthew Sekalakal CMI, Principal Father Joshi Mayamparambil CMI, Vice Principal Girija Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends, we welcome you all to our special assembly with the significant occasion of World Environment Day. We begin the days proceeding with a prayer. Now, let's all rise for a prayer song with the school choir.
ദൈവരംഗിനമേ
Thank you for this soulful rendition. Now let's all reform our commitment to our nation with the national pledge by Bisma Chazir of class 9A. All please stretch your right hand forward and repeat after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich, varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's thought for the day reminds our responsibility towards the Mother Earth. Let's welcome Arjun V. Nair of class 9D to deliver today's thought.
Take care of the earth and she will take care of you. I repeat, take care of the earth and she will take care of you. In order to save the earth, we must understand that the resources provided by the earth are limited. However, most of us are unaware of this fact and we are not judiciously utilizing them. In order to safeguard the existence of humans, we must protect the earth and take care of it. Thank you.
Wise words indeed. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. Let's reflect on those words as we consider our responsibility to protect and cherish our environment. We will have a speech on the significance of World Environment Day. Let's welcome Ashwin Shabari Shankar of class 9B to the stage.
Good afternoon all. Respected Manager Father Matthew Sekalakal CMI, Principal Father Joshi Mayamparambal CMI, Vice Principal Girija Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, as we gather here today to commemorate World Environment Day, it's crucial to recognize the critical role that each of us plays in preserving and protecting our planet. This year's World Environment Day campaign focuses on land restoration, drought resilience, and deforestation under the slogan, Our Land, Our Future. The state of our environment is the reflection of our collective actions. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, every aspect of life is connected to the health of our planet. And as we stand here today, we cannot ignore the alarming rate at which our planet is deteriorating. Climate change, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, pollution, these are not abstract concepts, but they are stark realities that threaten the very foundation of life on Earth. But amidst challenges, there is hope. Each one of us has the power to make a difference, to be stewards of change in our communities and beyond. Whether it's reducing our carbon footprints, or advocating for sustainable practices, or supporting initiatives that promote or protect our natural resources. Every action counts. Small changes in our daily life can have a significant impact when multiplied across millions of individuals. Moreover, it's imperative that we hold the governments and corporations accountable for their environmental practices and policies. We must demand transparency, accountability, and sustainability in every aspect of decision making that affect our planet. But beyond policies and regulations, World Environment Day is also a time for reflection and appreciation. It's a moment to reconnect with nature, to marvel at its beauty, and to acknowledge the profound interconnectedness of all living beings. So as we celebrate World Environment Day today, let us commit ourselves to concrete actions that promote environmental stewardship and sustainability. Let us pledge ourselves to protect our planet for future generations so that they inherit a planet that is healthy, vibrant, and teeming with life. Thank you.
Thank you for enlightening us, Ashwin. Next, we have a poem recitation highlighting the importance of environmental conservation. Let's welcome Adya of AD to the stage.
ഏവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. പ്രകൃതി സംരക്ഷിക്കപ്പെടേണ്ടതാണെന്ന് നമ്മെ ഓർമ്മപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന രജീഷ് പനമ്പാടിന്റെ കവിത പ്രകൃതി. നീ എന്ന പ്രകൃതിയെ ഞാനെന്ന വികൃതിയ നോവിക്കുവാൻ നാം ശ്രമിക്കരുതേ. കൂട്ടരെ ഓർക്കുക, പ്രകൃതിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളിൽ എന്നുള്ള സത്യത്തെ അറിയുക. നീ എന്ന പ്രകൃതിയെ ഞാനെന്ന വികൃതിയ നോവിക്കുവാൻ നാം ശ്രമിക്കരുതേ. കൂട്ടരെ ഓർക്കുക, പ്രകൃതിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളിൽ എന്നുള്ള സത്യത്തെ അറിയുക. പ്രളയവും പ്രകൃതി ദുരന്തവും പണ്ടു നാം പ്രകൃതിയാം ഭൂമിയെ നോവിച്ചതിൻ ഫലം ഇതിനുള്ള പ്രതിരോധം എന്തെന്നറിയുക. പ്രകൃതിയെ സ്നേഹിക്കണം എന്നതോർക്കുക. പ്രളയവും പ്രകൃതി ദുരന്തവും പണ്ടു നാം പ്രകൃതിയാം ഭൂമിയെ നോവിച്ചതിൻ ഫലം ഇതിനുള്ള പ്രതിരോധം എന്തെന്നറിയുക. പ്രകൃതിയെ സ്നേഹിക്കണം എന്നതോർക്കുക. കാടും പുഴകളും മലകളും നമ്മൾക്ക് കാലം കരുതിയ സമ്പത്തെന്നോർക്കുക. ഹരിതമാം ഭൂമിയെ വേദനിപ്പിക്കാത്ത വേലകൾ ചെയ്തു നമുക്കു നീങ്ങാം. കാടും പുഴകളും മലകളും നമ്മൾക്ക് കാലം കരുതിയ സമ്പത്തെന്നോർക്കുക. ഹരിതമാം ഭൂമിയെ വേദനിപ്പിക്കാത്ത വേലകൾ ചെയ്തു നമുക്കു നീങ്ങാം. മലകൾ നിവർന്നങ്ങു തന്നെ നിൽക്കട്ടെ, ജലാശയങ്ങൾ നിറഞ്ഞൊഴുകിത്തുടിക്കട്ടെ. കാടും മേടും ഹരിതമായി നിൽക്കട്ടെ, മനസ്സിന്റെ നന്മകൾ പൂത്തുലഞ്ഞിടട്ടെ. നല്ല നാളേക്കായി കൈകോർത്തു നിൽക്കാം, അമ്മയാം ഭൂമിയെ കാത്തുരക്ഷിക്കാം. നല്ല നാളേക്കായി കൈകോർത്തു നിൽക്കാം, അമ്മയാം ഭൂമിയെ കാത്തുരക്ഷിക്കാം. നല്ല നാളേക്കായി കൈകോർത്തു നിൽക്കാം, അമ്മയാം ഭൂമിയെ കാത്തുരക്ഷിക്കാം. അമ്മയാം ഭൂമിയെ കാത്തുരക്ഷിക്കാം. അമ്മയാം ഭൂമിയെ കാത്തുരക്ഷിക്കാം. നന്ദി.
Beautifully expressed. Next, let's shift our focus to a captivating dance that highlights the environmental challenges we face and the solutions we can enact.
ഹരിത നീല കമ്പളം പുതച്ച് എൻ്റെ ഭൂമി, എൻ്റെ അമ്മയാം ഭൂമി.
കനികൾക്ക് തൊട്ടിലും താരാട്ടുമായി നീയുണർന്നിരിക്കുന്നതും, ആയിരം കാവുകളിൽ ഊഞ്ഞാലിടുന്നതും, മായിലത്തുമ്പത്തിരുന്നു തുള്ളുന്നതും, മഞ്ചിതൾ പൂക്കളായി കയ്യാട്ടി നിൽപ്പതും, അമ്പലപ്രാവായി നീ കുറുകുന്നതും, ആയിരം പുഴകളുടെ ഓളങ്ങളായി ആത്മഹർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് താളം പിടിപ്പതും, പൂവാകയായി പൂത്തിലഞ്ഞിയായി കൊന്നയായി പുത്തനാം വർണ്ണ കുടകൾ മാറുന്നതും, കൂമന്റെ മൂളലായി പേടിപ്പെടുത്തി നീ കുയിലിന്റെ കൂകലായി തേടി മാറ്റുന്നതും. ഭൂമി ഇതു നിന്റെ മൃതിശാന്തി ഗീതം.
Indeed an eye-catching act. Let's give a loud round of applause for the team's factual presentation. For more commitment to a nation with our Environmental Day pledge, I invite everyone to join us in pledging to do our part in preserving the environment. Fatima of 9C, please come forward to deliver the Environmental Day pledge. All of you are requested to stretch your like hand.
We pledge a commitment to environmental protection and land restoration. We will stay informed about relevant legal developments and contribute to a sustainable future through our professional roles.
Thank you for your commitment, everyone. Now, I invite our Principal Father to the stage to guide us with his valuable message.
Good afternoon, respected Vice Principal Girija Ma'am, my beloved colleagues, my most beloved children. Today, you know the day. What is today? World Environment Day. And why I was thinking that why this kind of a celebration that we are keeping? Because this day is reminding us that the dance performance by our friends, Iniyum Marikatha Bhumi, that the earth is still alive, that is why we are living, isn't it? Till now, this is the only planet that we are telling that human beings are living. Maybe some other planet, whether it is there or not, we don't know. But Earth is the only planet that we are consider that the people can live. And just I was thinking that what a kind of changes, the phenomenon is happening year by year. Because just you see that maybe our classes during the holiday time, here it was very hot summer. And even the Supreme Court also said that if you are conducting the classes, it should be in the morning hours. And even now we have here the rain, but the other part, maybe Delhi or other southern part, that we are seeing that it is very hot. This way, the same country, we are having different types of climate. And more than that, what I feel is that now, this last week there was heavy rain and waterlogging and flood is coming up. Even some of the report it is telling that this kind of flood was not ever happened before in some Ernakulam, Cochin areas. Why it is happening? Because what is the thing, within few or 1 hour early, that from morning to the evening, it is drizzling or that rain, then after some time little rain that way. But now when the rain comes, all of a sudden that within 1 hour, that a good number of water is falling, or that it is telling within 2 hours 100 milli rain was there that way. It is because this changes in the climate. And the only thing that what we can do is by protecting the earth by planting plants. So I request you, maybe this is my I got 50 years now. So now you may have maybe 15 years. So 35 years more. Then when you are coming as 50 years, this earth will not be like this. Will not be like this. If this way the climate change is going on, then I will say maybe after 35 years more, when you are getting 50, that time the earth may not be a place for living. We have to find out some other place. So we have to plant at least a plant in our home. You all are maybe living in the village, your own home is there, and you have a small courtyard. So I request you, just protect a plant. And in your study room, you put one plant in a bottle, and at least you will get some freshness that way. And that way we have to do maybe something to protect our earth. That is most important. So that way this day has to motivate you. Our friends went to Varkala Municipal Stadium and today performed this dance, and we distributed even saplings. So these all that we are making, or we are telling the people this has to do in order to protect this world, in order to protect the earth. So this day has to motivate all of you, at least by today evening when you are reaching home, to plant a small plant in your home, or maybe put some plants in your study place in proper bottle or whatever may be. And we should love these kinds of activities. We should love. And I congratulate Science Department, the HOD's leadership and others, that they took a lot of initiatives to make this day, to make aware of the children about the importance of today. So special congrats to Science Department and all the teachers who are behind. Give a loud applause to them. And also our friends, morning that it was excellent way that they conducted the program that is in Varkala Municipal Stadium, that our band troupe were there, and dance was there, and our friends were there to organize it. And I congratulate all my beloved children who are taken effort for today's day as a memorable one. So give them also. So once again, I congratulate Science Department, and I express sincere thanks to all my beloved colleagues and children. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Father, for your guidance. There is a famous quote, "Take care of the earth, she will take care of you." I am an earth warrior. Are you my friends? Keep our earth green and clean. Raise your voice against every act of harming our earth. Love the earth, be happy. There is no other place to live other than earth. Save the earth. With this come to an end of this special assembly. Let's express our gratitude to all who contributed to this meaningful assembly. A big thank you to the speakers, performers, and organizers for their effort in making this assembly a success. As we leave today, let's remember that every day is an opportunity for us to make a positive impact on our environment. Together, let's strive to be steward of the earth. With that, we conclude our special assembly commemorating World Environment Day. Let's all go forth and make a difference in the world around us. Have a great day, everyone. All are requested to stand up for the school anthem.